In this video, we will explore the top 5 e-bike conversion kits that can transform your regular bicycle into a powerful electric bike. From mid-drive systems to high-performance hub motors, we break down the specs, features, and installation ease of each kit. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. 1500 Watt E-Bike Conversion Kit. The 15-watt e-bike conversion kit is built around a powerful 48-volt brushless, gearless hub motor designed for either front or rear wheel installation. It delivers up to 15 watt of rated power, reaching speeds between 45 and 50 kilometers per hour, with torque ranging from 71 to 74.6 Newton meters. With 46 magnet poles, a magnet height of 35 HA, and an efficiency of at least 83%, this motor offers strong acceleration while maintaining stable, low-noise performance at around 55 decibels. Operating temperatures range from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for varied riding conditions. The motor is laced into a durable double-wall aluminum alloy rim that is waterproof and rust-resistant. Opening sizes are 100 mm for the front and 135 to 142 mm for the rear. Wheel options include 20, 24, 26, 27.5, 28, 29-inch, and 700C, with 28-inch, 29-inch, and 700C sharing the same size standard. Control is handled by a KT brushless direct current controller paired exclusively with the LCD3 display. The display provides real-time speed and battery data, while the aluminum alloy controller shell with groove design enhances heat dissipation and circuit protection. The kit does not include a lithium battery, so voltage compatibility must be confirmed. Throttle options include twist or thumb style, and accessories can be customized before shipping. Number 4. MTX Ebike Conversion Kit. The MTX Ebike Conversion Kit features a 72-volt 5,000-watt, brushless gearless rear hub motor designed for serious high-speed performance. Built for bicycles with a 150mm rear dropout, this kit allows you to convert a standard pedal bike into a powerful electric machine in about 1 hour. The rear rotate motor design delivers impressive torque between 130 and 150 Newton meters, supporting strong acceleration and confident climbing ability. Rated speeds range from 95 to 105 kilometers per hour, making it suitable for advanced riders seeking maximum output. The gearless construction improves durability while maintaining efficiency above 80% and keeping operational noise under 60 decibels. It operates within temperatures from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius, offering stable performance in varied environments. Enhanced waterproofing, effective heat dissipation, and built-in overheat protection further strengthen long-term reliability. Power delivery is managed by an 80-amp controller with a rated current of 40 ampere and compatibility with 48-volt and 72-volt systems. The controller includes 18 MOSFETs and is engineered for consistent high current output. The complete package includes the rear hub motor with rim and spokes, controller, optional display, twist throttle, pedal assist sensor, brake levers, controller bag, installation cables, and manual. A lithium battery is not included, so you will need a compatible 72-volt battery to operate the system. Number 3. Bafang 750W Ebike Conversion Kit. The Bafang 750-watt e-bike conversion kit transforms a standard bicycle into a capable electric ride using the G900 rear hub motor. This system delivers 750 watt of nominal power with a peak output of 1300 watt, producing up to 80 Newton meters of torque. Riders can reach speeds above 28 miles per hour, with enough climbing strength to handle slopes of up to 15 degrees. Waterproof connectors, rated at IPIC 6, help maintain reliable operation in wet conditions. The brushless gear reduction design combines efficiency with durability, supported by a hardened steel drivetrain. Noise levels stay below 55 decibels at 20 miles per hour, making the ride smooth and quiet. Bafang backs the system with laboratory-tested durability rated for up to 3,000 hours of operation. A rider-controlled tri-drive system allows you to choose between full electric throttle mode, 9 levels of pedal assist, or walk assist for easier maneuvering. Hall effect sensors and refined cadence algorithms ensure smooth and responsive power delivery. The included controller supports a maximum current of 25 ampere and uses 12 MOSFETs for stable output. Compatibility is broad, fitting rear dropouts from 135 to 142 mm and supporting 5 to 10 speed cassettes. It works with wheel sizes from 20 to 29 inch, including 700C and 28-inch options. The display system, compatible with B2NU or B4N units, connects through the BikeYgo Plus app to show real-time speed, distance, and battery data. Number 2. Bafang G62 Ebike Conversion Kit. The Bafang G62 Ebike Conversion Kit is a 750-watt rear hub motor system designed specifically for 20-inch and 26-inch snow, beach, and fat tire bikes. It is also compatible with a wide range of popular fat tire models, making it a practical replacement upgrade for many existing electric bikes. The motor delivers up to 80 Nm of torque with an efficiency rating above 80%, while keeping noise levels under 55 decibels for a smooth and controlled ride. Built with a gear drive design, the motor reaches 325 revolutions per minute and operates on a 48-volt platform. Weighing about 4.6 kilograms, it balances solid power output with manageable weight. The system functions reliably in temperatures from -20 to 45 degrees Celsius and carries an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. It has also passed a 96-hour salt spray test and meets RoS and C certification standards. The kit supports multiple rear dropout sizes, including 135 mm for standard bikes and up to 190 mm for fat bikes. Disc brake compatibility and a 36-hole spoke configuration ensure secure installation. The included controller features a gentle start mode, 25 ampere maximum current, and 12 MOSFETs for consistent power delivery. A 12-month warranty covers manufacturing defects and quality issues, providing added peace of mind for long-term use. Number 1. Bafang Bebstu BBS2B Ebike Conversion Kit. The Bafang Bebstu BBS2B Mid-Drive Ebike Conversion Kit features a 750-watt 48-volt motor designed for central installation on a wide range of bicycles, including mountain, road, and folding bikes. Its compact M-series design allows for a discreet fit while delivering powerful and quiet performance. The motor produces up to 120 Nm of torque, supporting climbs, long rides, and speeds up to 50 km per hour on a 27.5-inch bike. This makes it ideal for daily commuting, recreational cycling, or assisting older riders. The kit is compatible with standard bottom brackets, measuring 68 to 73 mm in length, with an internal diameter of 34 to 36 mm, with a 100 mm option available on request. Installation is straightforward, aided by detailed instructions and video guidance. 3 riding modes are available: full electric, pedal-assisted, and traditional cycling, giving users flexibility for exercise or longer trips. Bafang offers customization options for chain wheels, brake systems, and displays. The default chain wheel is 44 teeth, but 36 or 42 teeth can be requested. Brake options include a lever or sensor, and various LCD displays support real-time speed, distance, and battery monitoring. The motor's efficient power transfer, durable construction, and reduced noise provide a smoother riding experience. Optional gear shift sensors can further enhance performance and ease of shifting. With careful installation, particularly maintaining a 5 to 8 mm gap between the speed sensor and magnet, this mid-drive kit delivers reliable, high performance for a versatile electric bike conversion. There you have it, the top 5 e-bike conversion kits available today. Each option offers unique performance, compatibility, and value depending on your riding style and bike type. Make sure to review the descriptions and select the kit that fits your needs. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in.